Welcome to Bel Air Apartments. We're about to enter an Eagle floor plan, which is our 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. You're gonna love this. You'll walk in, immediately enter into the living and dining area, which has plenty of sunlight. Stairway there, your kitchen just off to the side. Right when you enter, you'll have your coat closet. Plenty of space. This particular home has been renovated to have luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the lower level, and then you'll have carpet on the stairway and on the upper level. As you enter into the home, you have a nice half bath, and then just through your half bath, there's a large storage closet under the stairs. So think about everything that you can store in that space. In your kitchen area, you'll have plenty of countertop and cabinet space, nice stainless steel appliances, and the raised bar height area is really helpful too. Just off of the kitchen area, you have your washer and dryer, and through your washer and dryer, you have access to an attached garage, a private one-car garage for your own car. Let's head back over to the dining area, which you can see has your sliding door to your extended patio space. This particular one has a gorgeous view. In the living area, you have nice windows to make it nice and bright in this room, and a gas fireplace. Let's head upstairs. You'll see that traveling upstairs, this area is well lit as well, because there's a nice skylight right above. Heading upstairs, right on the landing, you have a built-in desk area. Upstairs, you have basically a dual master suite. So you have one master suite here on the left-hand side with a expansive closet space. And attached to this bedroom, you have a private bathroom. Across the hall in the other bedroom, pretty much the exact same setup. Nice size closet, plenty of storage, and private bathroom as well. And that's our 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath Eagle floor plan. Has 1114 square feet. You'll definitely get the feeling of home in this layout. Have a wonderful day. We hope to see you here at Bel Air.